Hey you guys, so today in library I'm going to read a book to you. It's A Walk in the Rain by Sarah Vazquez. It is raining outside, the grass is wet. The swing is wet, the sidewalk is wet. The mailbox is wet, the street is wet. But I am all dry. Now why is she dry, everybody? Can you see what she wore outside? Her rubber boots and her raincoat. So that kept her dry along with her umbrella. Who can tell me who has an umbrella at home? I do. So everybody, when it's raining outside, wear your rain gear and stay dry, dry, dry. Bye, you guys.